Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So it is Saturday night and I received something extremely exciting from my manufacturer, and we're going to do an open boxing of it. So in here I have something I've been waiting for a while. I'm going to share it with all of you. This is, oh my god, this is heavy. This is the HFA version 2, A New Way to Travel. Let me get this plastic off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the plastic off, and this is the harmonic field amplifier version 2, A New Way to Travel. And, you know, what can I say? The energy coming off the box is just out of control. So here we go. We'll take a look at this guy. Okay, you'll notice they now come in completely different packaging. They are all done in a beautiful wood box. The price point will remain the same. I'll go ahead and take this out of there. This box is just beautiful. I mean, this is going to be over the top. Here we go. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. Oh my God. Okay, so a couple noticeable differences right off the bat. If you are an owner of an original HFA, you know the power of this product. And oh jeez, they just did such a beautiful job with this. Harmonic field amplifier version 2, V2. Sounds like the Terminator. Actually kind of looks like something from the Terminator. So, you know, I wanted to take the effects of this product and bring it to a whole new height. And the school of thought was to take the silver inlay, which goes all the way around the sides and now comes up over the four corners to the middle and surrounds the 0 point. And you'll notice it on the back as well. And this creates and stabilizes a much larger field. So today, you know, available in the MDM store is the original HFA New Way to Travel, which has been around for about 18 months. And there are a lot of them out in the wild. People have been writing in with video testimonials to the effects of the product, what it's doing for them. And it's just unbelievable. But this is the new version 2, and it is stunningly beautiful on pretty much every level. I mean, just look at the craftsmanship in this, and you know, the new box it comes in, it's just amazing. So these are going to be available sometime in the late second, third quarter. So we're probably looking at June, July, August, maybe even September. I need to do a lot of testing with this product, obviously. And, you know, I'll be doing videos as the months roll on. This is the only prototype in existence. And, you know, I'll keep you guys up to date. But this, again, is the harmonic field amplifier version 2, A New Way to Travel. This is the original MDM product, now has been updated, and it's just unbelievable. I mean, look at the shine. Look at the camera shine. You can completely see the reflection in there. It's unbelievable, you know, what these devices do, you know, when you're traveling. It's just absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Beautiful craftsmanship. So this is another product coming in 2018. You know, it's kind of funny. I told myself in October of 2017 I'm going to concentrate on marketing and advertising in 2018, and I was going to slow down on product development. Well, you know, the Terra Resonator has launched, and we have 15 other products coming in the Q1, Q2 timeframe, 13 of those being the IAM signature collection bracelets, and 2 other ones are a surprise. And then here, we'll just add this is the 16th product. So 17 products for 2018, and I still have to figure out how to do marketing and advertising, but it's all good, folks. Enjoy it, feel the energy, and this will be available later in the year only from moderndaymystic.com. Thanks, folks. Have a great evening.